is Sven, and this is another unboxing video. So I'd like to thank Ian and Lyndal at Intertype for all their work, and I need to thank Ray, Wayne and Sven for vetting the book itself, and all the other contributors, especially there's a whole lot of drawings, so thanks to Katie and Gaz and Egfroth for all the drawings. And then there's a whole list of people who provided photos. Oh, here it is. Dictionary of Military Architecture, Fortifications, Fieldworks and Siegecraft. So let's see. I want to thank the following contributors for the photos: Sarah and Michael Brown, Dr. Timothy Dawson, Damien Fegan, Adrian and Hannah Farah, and my mum, she took a photo of some forts in India, Ruth Kunde, Jason Metcalf, Glenda and Wayne Robinson, Aaron Southall and Graeme Walker. Wow. On the shoulders of giants. There you go. Oh, the photos have come out good too. Wow. On there is the Swinger, Germany. Well done.